Hi everyone, it's a beautiful new day, the sun is shining bright, and the birds are singing. Do you know what time it is? It's time for a brand new adventure. Today, we're going on a super exciting journey to learn all about time. Are you ready to become a time-telling superstar? I know you are. Let's get started. Time is like a special river that keeps flowing and flowing. It never stops, even for a tiny second. When the sun shines bright, it's daytime. Time to play, learn, and have lots of fun. When the moon comes out to say hello, it's nighttime. Time to rest and dream sweet dreams. Time helps us know when to do things, like when it's time to eat yummy snacks, or when it's time to read our favorite stories. To tell time, we use a special tool called a clock. Clocks are fascinating devices that help us keep track of the hours, minutes, and seconds in our day. They come in many forms, from the traditional analog clocks with hands to the modern digital clocks with numbers. But no matter the type, they all serve the same essential purpose, to help us know what time it is. Clocks come in all shapes and sizes, but they all have some important parts. Whether it's a small wristwatch, a large wall clock, or a fancy grandfather clock, each one has the same basic components. These parts work together to show us the time accurately. Let's take a closer look at these parts and see how they function. First, we have the numbers. They go from 1 to 12, like a merry-go-round. These numbers are usually arranged in a circular pattern on the clock face. Each number represents an hour of the day. When the clock's hands point to these numbers, they tell us what hour it is. The numbers are essential because they provide a reference for the clock's hands. Next, we have the hour hand. It's the shorter hand that points to the hour. The hour hand moves slowly around the clock, taking 12 hours to complete one full rotation. This hand helps us know which hour of the day it is. For example, if the hour hand is pointing to the number 3, it means it's 3 o'clock. The hour hand is crucial for understanding the time in hours. And finally, we have the minute hand. It's the longer hand that points to the minutes. The minute hand moves much faster than the hour hand, completing one full rotation every hour. This hand helps us know the exact minute within the hour. For instance, if the minute hand is pointing to the number 12, it means it's the start of a new hour. The minute hand is essential for telling the precise time. It moves much faster than the hour hand. Now that we know the parts of a clock, let's learn how to tell the time. By looking at where the hour and minute hands are pointing, we can determine the exact time. For example, if the hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is on 12, it's 3 o'clock. If the hour hand is on 3 and the minute hand is on 6, it's 3:30. Understanding how to read a clock is a valuable skill that helps us manage our daily activities and stay on schedule. The hour hand is like a wise old turtle. It moves slowly and steadily around the clock. When the hour hand points directly at a number, it tells us what hour it is. For example, if the hour hand is pointing at the number 8, it means it's 8 o'clock. It's easy peasy, right? Now let's see what the minute hand is up to. Section 5. Tick-tock. Minutes. The minute hand is like a playful bunny. It hops around the clock much faster than the hour hand. Imagine the minute hand as a lively bunny, always on the move, never staying in one place for too long. It's always in a hurry, hopping from one number to the next, making its way around the clock face in just 1 hour. This bunny is full of energy, unlike the hour hand, which moves slowly and steadily, taking its time to complete its journey around the clock. Remember the numbers on the clock? Each number represents 5 minutes. So, when the minute hand moves from one number to the next, it's like the bunny hopping 5 minutes ahead. This is why the minute hand seems so fast. It's always jumping from one number to the next, covering a lot of ground in a short amount of time. Let's learn some key positions. When the minute hand points at the 12, it means o'clock. This is the starting point for the minute hand's journey. It's like the bunny is at the starting line, ready to begin its race around the clock. When the minute hand is at the 12, it's the top of the hour, and the hour hand is pointing exactly at one of the numbers on the clock face. When the minute hand points at the 3, it means 15 minutes past the hour. Imagine the bunny has hopped a quarter of the way around the clock. It's covered 15 minutes in its journey. This is also known as a quarter past the hour because the minute hand has moved 1/4 of the way around the clock face. When the minute hand points at the 6, it means half past the hour or 30 minutes past the hour. Now the bunny has hopped halfway around the clock. It's been 30 minutes since it started its journey. This is why we call it half past the hour, because the minute hand is halfway around the clock face. When the minute hand points at the 9, It means 45 minutes past the hour or quarter to the next hour. The bunny is now 3/4 of the way around the clock. It's covered 45 minutes in its journey. This is also known as a quarter to the next hour because the minute hand has only 1/4 of the way left to reach the top of the hour again. So if the hour hand is pointing at the 2 and the minute hand is pointing at the 6, it's 2:30. The bunny has hopped halfway around the clock and the hour hand has moved a little past the 2. This means it's 30 minutes past 2 o'clock. Understanding these key positions on the clock can help you tell time more easily. The minute hand's journey around the clock is like a fun race, and by knowing where it is, you can always know what time it is. So next time you look at a clock, remember the playful bunny and its exciting journey around the clock face. Section 6. Time for a quiz. Are you ready to test your time-telling superpowers? Let's dive into a fun and exciting quiz that will challenge your ability to read the clock. Whether you're a beginner or a time-telling expert, this quiz is designed to be both educational and entertaining. So grab your thinking cap and let's get started. Let's play a quick quiz. What time is it when the hour hand is on the 4 and the minute hand is on the 12? Take a moment to think about it. Remember, the hour hand points to the hour and the minute hand points to the minutes. If the hour hand is on the 4 and the minute hand is on the 12, it means the time is exactly 4 o'clock. Did you get it right? Great job! Let's move on to the next question. A. 4 o'clock. What time is it when the hour hand is between the 9 and 10 and the minute hand is on the 6? This one is a bit trickier. The hour hand is between the 9 and 10, which means it's past 9 but not yet 10. The minute hand on the 6 indicates 30 minutes past the hour, so the correct time is 9:30. Did you guess it correctly? Fantastic, you're doing great. Let's see if you can get the next one. B. 9:30. What time is it when the hour hand is close to the 1 and the minute hand is on the 9? This one might be a bit challenging. The hour hand is close to the 1, which means it's almost 1 o'clock. The minute hand on the 9 indicates 45 minutes past the hour, so the correct time is 12:45. Did you get it right? If so, you're really mastering this. If not, don't worry, practice makes perfect. Let's go to the final question. C. 12:45. You got it. You're a true time-telling champion. Congratulations on completing the quiz. You've done an amazing job. Remember, telling time is a valuable skill that you can use every day. Keep practicing and you'll get even better. Thanks for playing and keep up the great work. Until next time, keep an eye on the clock and have fun learning. Section 7. Fun time facts. Did you know that there are 24 hours in a day? That's a whole lot of time for fun and adventures. We use a special clock called a 24-hour clock to tell time in some places. It has numbers from 1 to 24. Time flies when you're having fun, but it can also feel slow when you're waiting for something exciting. Time is precious, so let's make the most of it by learning, playing, and spending time with loved ones. Section 8. Time flies when you're learning. Congratulations, time detectives. You've learned so much about time today. Remember, practice makes perfect. Keep looking at clocks and trying to tell the time. You'll be a time-telling pro in no time. For homework, draw your own clock and show us your favorite time of day. Keep exploring and have a time-tastic day.